Thabethe and Limakatso Moorosi were heads of the Department of Agriculture and Rural Development respectively when the deal was concluded in 2011. Former Transnet board member and Gupta associate businessman Iqbal Sharma was the sole director of Nulane Investments. 24.9 million rands was paid to the company on the basis that it had unique skills. However, only 1.5 of the 24.9 million rand was paid to a subcontractor Deloitte to conduct the study. The state alleges that the four accused colluded to divert funds earmarked for rural development. The funds were later placed at the disposal of the Gupta family. Limakatso Moorosi and Seipati Dhlamini are out on 10,000 rand bail each. Thabethe and Sharma have been kept at Bainsflay police station holding cells. This after their legal representative asked for more time to prepare for a formal bail application. The investigating directorate intends to oppose their bail application.
The NPA's investigating directorate is adamant that when the accused appear, we are going to oppose bail. For the two others that are still yet to appear again at the Bloemfontein Magistrates Court, and essentially it's similar grounds to the ones we opposed bail on Thursday last week. However, in this particular regard, we are saying that we do not want a situation where we want to proceed with trial. However, we cannot find the accused to come stand for trial.
An extradition order has been made for more arrests for those abroad, including the Gupta family members. The fifth suspect in the case will appear in court on the 15th of June due to health problems. Meanwhile, the High Court in Bloemfontein has granted the NPA's investigating directorate a restraint order to freeze assets of Iqbal Sharma, his company Nulane Investments, and Islandside Investments. Sharma's assets include his 12 million rand house in Sandton, 1.3 million rand sectional title home in Sandton, and a movable property valued at 500,000 rand. The Gupta assets that were also frozen include a 21 million rand house in Constantia near Cape Town and a 12 million rand house in Saxonwold.
It's an unlimited order, restraint order, meaning all the assets owned by Nulane Investment, the company owned by Iqbal Sharma as a sole director, as well as all the assets owned by Islandside, one of the few companies in South Africa that still have assets owned by the Guptas. The directors of that particular company is the Gupta brothers, Adu Gupta and Rajesh Gupta, as well as their wives. Furthermore, that is the company that we are alleging where money was siphoned in and out, or money laundered.
The NPA has applied to Interpol to assist with the execution of arrest warrants in respect of Atul Gupta and his wife Chetali, Rajesh Gupta and his wife Arti. The arrest warrants will also include Ankit Jain, former Nulane Investment Bank of Baroda account signatory, Ravindra Nath, Director of Warn Management, Ramesh Bhatt and Jagdish Parekh, the directors of Pragat Investments. Aphumelele Mdlalane, SABC News, Bloemfontein.